Damn it. Why can we drive this direction? I don't know.
Carl, get away from the window.
Everybody back up. Back up.
The bathroom's up there by the front door.
Hey, where do you want me to put everybody? On the inside hallway or towards the back by the beer cooler in that little section?
Jared.
At least probably 10 or 12.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hey, is that Diane?
There's probably 18 or 19.
The shit is getting real.
I haven't. Of course, our power.
Yeah. They said there was one. They said there was one on the ground at 7th and range line.
Yeah, but that's the one coming toward us around 20 of them.
Man, look at that.
That's why that wind's that.
Yeah. No, they haven't yet. The sirens aren't going.
But yeah, they did.
What?
Yeah, they
Dude.
did. That's as they we were coming in here.
This is getting real.
Somebody's door.
Someone in.
Everybody get down. Low on the ground.
Come on. Sit right here. Did you drop your phone?
I don't know. Jesus. I don't know if I left it in the car or what.
Sophie left it in the car. Where's it at?
What? What? Okay. All right.
You need it.
Get inside that. What is that room right there?
When stuff's breaking in the back.
Yeah, I know. I know.
Can we go in the cooler?
Everybody, go.
Heavenly Father, Jesus.
We're good. We're good. We're good.
It's okay. It's okay.
I think we're gonna do it. I know. I love everyone. I love everyone, man.
Yeah, I love all you guys. We're gonna be okay.
I love you.
Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Heavenly Father. Thank you.
That's all okay?
Yes.
Go, get out.
Is everyone okay below me?
Right here, I'm okay.
All right, I'm trying not to lay on someone.
Somebody's on my back.
We're missing him, guys.
Am I hurting anybody? Ma'am?
Is who's under me?
We're okay.
Is,
We're okay. Oh.
You guys okay under me?
who's,
Are you guys okay?
is anyone under me then? Is anyone under me?
We don't know. 6 o'clock.
We need to call somebody.
Yes, just pass it over. Just
Keep still. Keep still.
stay calm.
What should I call?
Stay calm.
You don't, I don't know.
One if you can do.
Everybody stay calm. It's over. This is the end of it. Stay calm. Calm down. Stay calm. We're sure. Get out. Stay calm.
Are you okay? I'm trying. I'm like push. I'm sorry.
Dad, I'm right here. Is it done? I'm okay.
I'm trying to put less weight on him though.
Ma'am, are you okay? I'm okay.
Glass in here.
Who's right here? Is that you right below me?
Yeah.
That's not someone else?
We're not moving anywhere. We're not moving anywhere. The building, the structure of the building may not be safe to move much.
Glad we got that. I'm glad we got that.